Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the song file and studio access ready. You must have Roblox Premium to upload custom audio. Once done, open the Game Place in Roblox Studio and switch to the Explorer and Properties panels. Next, import the audio via Create Audio, name it clearly, and upload the track. Roblox will queue it for moderation. While waiting, note the incoming asset ID number. This is the key you will paste into the game to call the theme song later. Once the audio is approved, copy its asset ID and return to Studio. Insert a sound object where it should play, use Workspace for arena audio or a local script inside the player GUI for personal entrances. Set sound. Sound ID to //ID and adjust volume and roll-off to match the arena. Then attach a script that triggers sound play at the entrance event. Using a remote event ensures server-controlled timing for all players. Test the trigger locally and in a multiplayer server to confirm synchronicity. To finish, publish your place and run a live test with others. Entrances should play the uploaded theme when the event fires. If it does not, first confirm the asset passed moderation and that the ID is correct in sound. Sound ID. Make sure the uploader account still has premium and that the track is within allowed length. Replace or reupload if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, implement a server remote event to start the sound and a fallback default track, so players still hear something if the custom audio is blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.